Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Mel and this is going to be the 5th video in a series that I am doing on my makeup collection. So I'm going through everything category by category, sort of taking inventory of what I have, and then also kind of laying out some like goals and plans for what I want to do with my collection in 2018. So we're going to start off going individually through all the different lip products that I have. I'll do sort of, I don't know, the different categories of lip products, and then we'll do some swatches and whatnot with that. And then afterwards is when I'll sort of take a look at the collection holistically and lay out my plans and goals for 2018. So if you just want to see the collection part of the video, feel free to tune out at that point. So give me a second here. I'm going to rearrange everything by category and we will get started. We'll start with these two because they're kind of on their own. These are both Bite Beauty products. This one here is just a lip primer, which I don't even know if I've ever used this. This is what it looks like. There's like a set that I bought towards the end of 2016 that had this lip primer, and then it also had this agave lip mask here, and then it had one of their Amuse Bouche lipsticks and a lip crayon in it. So yeah, I've never used the lip primer. I am going to keep it because I do want to try it at some point. The lip mask I like quite a bit. I like wearing it at night to re-moisturize my lips. So I should have said when I started this, but I am going to do a little bit of decluttering in this video, which is a little bit different than the other videos I've done. But when I was organizing all of this, I realized there are some products that are a little old and there's others that I'm just never going to use. And so, yeah, I'd like to go on ahead and sort of clean house a little bit here. Two of those items are these NARS, I don't know what these technically are. So these NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencils. These were the Sephora birthday gift back in 2015, and I have never even used this one. And this one I've only used a handful of times. So the fact that, you know, these are pretty old, coupled with the fact that, I mean, if I've had them for like almost 3 years now and have never used them, like clearly there's something that I can live without. So we're just gonna go on ahead and toss these. I have this magnetic matte lip color in the shade Gray Stone, and this is from Nude Sticks. This came, I don't know, in a subscription box this year, maybe Sephora Play, I really don't remember. That's what that looks like there. I don't know if I will ever actually get some use out of this, but I'm gonna go on ahead and keep it for now because I haven't tried it and I've never tried anything by this brand, and so I want to check them out. Next is this lip liner from the Estee Edit. It's just a nude lip liner. I'm not going to talk about this too much because this brand is no longer with us, but this is part of my rolling project pan for 2018. The next lip liner I have is one from Real Her. Again, this one came in a FabFitFun box, and it looks like that there. So again, just another nude lip liner. So after I use up the Estee Edit one, I'll have this one as my next nude lip liner. Lip crayon from Bite Beauty. Again, this came in that kit with the 4 different products. That looks like that there. And then these two actually came in a FabFitFun as well. They kind of screwed up my box one month and sent me some of the wrong products, and so they sent me replacement products but told me I could keep the products that they had sent me in error. So that's how I ended up with 2 of these. I like these quite a bit. This one is in the shade Tuscan Wine, and these are matte color and shiny lip crayons, shiny balm lip crayon, sorry. And on one side you've got the lip balm, and that's what that looks like there. And then on the other side you have the lip crayon. So that's the Tuscan Wine. And then this one here is in Florence Fig. So again, lip balm. Sorry, I sort of destroyed this one already. And then the lip crayon there. So while we're on lip balms, let's do these 4 over here. This is like a tinted lip balm from Soap and Glory. Yeah, if it's got an official name, it's worn off, but that's that there. So just tinted lip balm there. And then I'm not going to swatch these. I have a Burt's Bees Beeswax lip balm, a Soft Lips in vanilla, and this stress relief lip balm from Bath and Body Works. That's a eucalyptus spearmint aromatherapy balm. Oh, and then, well, this isn't really a lip balm. This is a lip gloss, one of the Juicy Tubes from Lancome, and I'm not going to swatch this because they're really sticky. But we'll stick with lip balms, or sorry, lip glosses. So I have this Too Faced Funfetti Ultra Plush Lip Gloss in the shade Mocha Freeze. This came in a kit that was out around Valentine's Day last year. The blush from that kit is in my blush video that I posted last week. So that is that. That's probably my favorite lip gloss right now. It's almost out, which is very sad. And you also have this Manna, says it's a lip locked priming gloss stain, which I don't really know what that means, but I wear it as a lip gloss. So that is what that looks like there. And then I have one of the NARS Velvet Glide lipsticks or lip glosses, and this is in the shade Bound. This was a Sephora Play item back at the start of 2016. So that's what that looks like there. This is getting pretty close to being gone as well, I think. The Buxom Full On Lip Cream in White Russian. This I'm working on panning as part of my 9 by Mardi Gras seasonal project pan, and it's getting pretty close to being done as well. So that's what that looks like there. I love this stuff. I will definitely repurchase, if not this shade, like another one of these Buxom products, because I really do enjoy it. This next one is something I am going to declutter. It's a lip gloss from Cargo that came, I don't know, in a subscription box this year. I don't remember which one it was, maybe BoxyCharm. And this is just a color I am never going to use. The shade is Umbria. So it's like this like sparkly kind of brownish gold. And I'm not going to swatch this because it's unopened and it still has the, I don't know, the plastic wrapping around it. So this one I can donate somewhere. This last lip gloss that I have is it's another one from Real Her. Came in one of the subscription boxes, again, FabFitFun, and this one is in the shade, I don't know, it doesn't have a shade name, but it's a lip plumping lip gloss, and that is what that looks like there. So again, this is one I haven't worn, so I'm going to keep it until I can at least try it out. So I do have a handful of liquid lipsticks. I'm not a liquid lipstick fan at all, so we are going to declutter a couple of these. I really just don't like the whole matte liquid lipstick trend. I was never a fan of, and I'm so glad it's going away. This one from Kat Von D is another one that came in a subscription box. It was Sephora Play. It's another one that I haven't used, and I am going to donate somewhere. This is just a shade that I'm never going to wear, so we will put that in the giveaway pile. This one too here from Real Her. This is probably one of the worst lip products that I tried in 2017, so I am just going to toss this one. I don't think anyone needs this in their life. So yeah, that is that one swatched right there. So yeah, we're gonna toss that. And then this one here from Tarte, Tarteist Lip Paints, I think is what they're called. This was the Sephora birthday gift for 2017, and it looks like that right there. And then we have two of the melted mattes from Too Faced. This first one is in Sellout. And that's it swatched right there. And then this one here is Queen Bee. I'm gonna keep these for now and the Tarte one because I like the shades. I don't know, I'm gonna like maybe try to use them some in 2018, but I don't know, we'll see. And then finally I have just my regular old you know, bullet lipsticks here. This one here is the Le Marc lip cream from Marc Jacobs. It is in the shade Slow Burn. I am working on panning this as part of my 9 by Mardi Gras. So that is that right there. And then the other one I'm working on panning right now is this Urban Decay Comfort Matte Lipstick in the shade 1993, and this is part of my 2018 rolling project pan, and so that is that one right there. Next up I have the Clinique Black Honey. I don't know, this is almost more of a lip balm. It's pretty light. This was in a Sephora play as well. Are you picking up on the theme here of my most of my lip products having come from subscription boxes this year? That is because I'm really not a big fan of lip products in general. So with having gotten so many in subscription boxes this year, there really just wasn't a need for me to buy much. And this one here, another Sephora play item. This is a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea in Set Sail. So that's that one right there. I have two from Lancome that came as part of a holiday kit for 2016. This is in the shade Designer Bloom. That's swatched right there. And then another one in the shade Lucky Kiss. And so that's Lucky Kiss right there. And then sort of my most loved lipstick formula is Bite Beauty. And I'm missing one. I have a fourth, I think. Maybe not. This one here is in the shade Pepper. That's that right there. And then these three little minis. This one is in Rhubarb. No, I guess I did just have the three. So we have Rhubarb there. This one is in Honeycomb, which is just a really pretty nude. This came as part of the Sephora Give Me Some Nude Lip Kit that I had last winter. So it was kind of like January, February of 2017. And then this one is in the shade Thistle. And this is just, I don't know, it's a kind of a cool gray, purpley gray right there. And then the final lip product that I have is this one from Japonesque, which I think was in a BoxyCharm. There's not a shade name on this, but that's what it looks like there. So it's a very, very peach color. So that is it. That is my lip product collection, believe it or not. So I'm gonna cut away real quick and then we'll spend some time talking about my goals and my plans and my hopes and my dreams for my lip product collection for 2018. So stay tuned for that. So it's me. Welcome. So real quickly, I just kind of wanted to talk about the goals and plans for my lip product collection for 2018. Right now for me, this is a lot. I am not a lip product person. I mean, I will wear lipstick, but I don't even wear it every day, to be honest. It's just, I don't know why. It's just something I've never really been into. I'm much more into like eyeshadows and mascaras and eye products than I have ever been into lip products. And so yeah, mostly what I want to work on this year is moving things out of this collection. So we do have the 5 that I'm decluttering today, which I'm very excited about. This Real Her liquid lipstick, the Kat Von D, these 2 lip crayons from NARS, and the lip gloss from Cargo. So these are all either going to go in the trash or find a new home. So I'm excited to be moving some of those out. And then I am also, currently I'm trying to pan 3 more products: the Buxom White Russian, the Urban Decay, and the Marc Jacobs lipsticks. So this one's gonna take me quite a bit of time, but these 2 I'm hoping to get used up within the next couple months here. And then, you know, I will put, I'm probably going to always have a lip product in one of my seasonal project pans that I'm going to do throughout 2018, just to help me move through some of these. The only thing that I would think that I'm going to need to buy in 2018 is probably lip gloss. I want to work through a couple of what I have. The Buxom one is pretty close to being done. That Funfetti Too Faced one is also pretty close to being done. When both of those are used up, I am going to repurchase one of the Too Faced, the peach lip glosses that they have that came out with the whole, you know, peach collection with the Sweet Peach palette. I love those things. I had one in 2016 and it met a tragic end. Yeah, I really do love the formula and the smell and the taste, oddly enough, on those. So I do want to repurchase at least one of those at some point, but I do want to give it a couple months and sort of work through some of what I have, so that yeah, things just aren't sitting around going bad. And yeah, liquid lipsticks, like I said, totally not my thing at all. I'm so glad that trend is going away, so won't be buying any of those. I may end up decluttering the ones that I have. At some point, I may throw 1 or 2 of those into a project pan and see if I just can make myself use them, or if I just need to get rid of them all entirely. Because that's just really, like I said, not my thing. And yeah, other than that, yeah, other than maybe needing a lip gloss or 2 here or there, and possibly a lip liner if I work through both the Estee Edit and the Real Her one. So you know, other than those kind of 2 areas, I really just want to focus in 2018 on using up what I have and getting down to, you know, what for me is a much more manageable lip product collection. Like I said, you know, to be a little redundant here, I just, you know, having this many lip products is not appealing to me. I know some people are like super into lip products, and that's totally fine. You know, to each, you know, we each have our own preferences, but I'm not somebody who, you know, uses a lot of lip products and likes to stockpile them. So I would like to, you know, really work through what I have and get down to just sort of, you know, my everyday favorites. So yeah, that is it for this part of my makeup collection. I still have face products to go, so we're going to do one video that has all of my primers, foundations, concealers, powders, you know, anything sort of that variety. And then my last video is going to be on any eye products that are not eyeshadow palettes. Eyeshadow palette collection has already been posted, and you know, that'll be linked in the description box below and up above, and it's going to pop up on the screen here in a second. So that has already been done, but sort of anything else, so mascaras, the couple singles that I have, eyeliners, you know, things like that are all going to be in one video as well. And then we will be done with my makeup collection as it stands right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up so I know you like this content. And if you haven't already done so, I hope you will hit that subscribe button down below. Come back and spend some more time with me. And yeah, so until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.